Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to use Zoho Project's chat feature for efficient team communication. Let's start by logging into your Zoho Projects account. Look for the chat icon, usually found on the bottom right of your screen. The reason we do this is because this is your gateway to instant communication with your team. Once you've clicked on the chat icon, a new window will pop up. Here is where you'll see all your active chats. Now that we've done that, you can start a new chat by clicking on the plus sign. This is where the magic happens. You can choose to start a one-on-one chat or create a group for specific project-related discussions. After selecting your team members, hit the Create button. This helps us because it allows for targeted and organized communication under specific chat groups. Now, let's get the conversation rolling. Simply type your message into the text box and press Enter. Remember, you can also share files, images, and include emojis to make your conversation more interactive and engaging. But here's what's happening behind the scenes. Every conversation you have is stored and can be referenced back at any time. So it's not just about instant messaging, it's also a valuable tool for tracking project discussions. So there you have it. A simple yet effective way to use Zoho Project's chat feature for team communication. With just a few clicks, you can streamline your team communication and make your project management more efficient. Thanks for tuning in today. Remember, communication is key in any project, and Zoho Projects makes it easier. Until next time, happy chatting.